Buldak in a long time. So let's go eat some. All right, here it is. We got that melted cheese on it. You want a first fry? Eat a first fry! Okay, y'all. We're gonna eat this delicious Buldak because I've been craving a Buldak. That melted cheese on it. It just smacks.
Make sure you keep count of how much Buldaks you have or ate. So far, I've had 2. You had 1. Because we each
Okay,
ate
there's
5.
no cheese pool, obviously, because I was waiting. Stop it. Look at my shoe.
What if Dad comes back up right now?
I think it's because when I was eating, I spilled some on my shoe. So now my dog's licking my shoes, so just ignore it. Mm-hmm. It's so hot. Because I cooked it, and then after, I put cheese on it, and I melted, you guys. So, it's just hecka hot. It's so good. Have a bite.
Have a bite. First cheese packet.
My sister's over there making hers. Lauren, you want to do the video while I go get water? Alright. Cooking with Lauren. Cooking with Lauren.
Okay, the whole packet. Oh, I didn't even open it.
That was kind of cringe, but it's alright.
Cooking with Lauryn.
Cooking with Lauren.
I really like to like.
Vipo used to like
Okay, now let's mix it in.
cooking with Lauren. 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 Cooking with Lauren. Lizzie, you better move or this ice is gonna hit you. Get your burger. You want a burger? Get your burgers.
So we're gonna clean the chopsticks.
They're playing because this is so much ice. So I'm previously putting on the
ice, baby. Dad, Kayla, that's Dad.
Oh, it's not, honey. It's the trash can. Stop scaring me. You scared me. I was like, oh my god.
I was about to say. I think
Zoe, Mama, Daddy's name.
I think we have 30 seconds to spare.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna hurry up. Fill this dang water up. Although I don't need water because it's all spicy. Because my thing isn't even spicy. Which I wanted it to be spicy.
Get your burger.
It's not so bad.
Get a burger.
Lauren, I technically put in the whole packet today. You know how? Because I was like, it was like dragging, and I just like pressed it down, and I was like, but it's actually not so spicy. So. Cooking with Kayla, eating with Kayla.